Today I am showing you how to make delicious soft rolls. Follow this recipe step by step. All you need is a very short list of ingredients, which are all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, salt, yeast, and milk. First, warm the milk and melt the butter. Then, combine warm milk, melted butter, salt, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Pour the liquids into a mixing bowl and add flour in a small portion. Slowly incorporate the flour, taking care to scrape the side of the bowl with a spatula as you mix. Until the dough is not longer sticky. Knead the dough with the dough hook in a stand mixer for 2 minutes. Then place dough in an oiled bowl. Cover it with a towel and let rise for about 2 hours in a warm place. After the dough rises, cut into 12 even pieces. Shape each pieces into a round shape. Place them on an oiled baking sheet. Cover the dinner rolls with a kitchen towel and let them rise another 1 hour. After proof the rolls, then bake it at 350 degrees for 25-30 minutes. Immediately brush tops with melted butter. Set aside to cool to room temperature before serving. You can easily make homemade dinner rolls without a mixer. Mix the dough ingredients together in a large bowl using a wooden spoon. Once it comes together, knead with clean dry hands about 10-12 minutes. Now our soft, airy, buttery rolls is ready. You can serve with soup, bowl of chili, meatloaf. Enjoy! Keep this recipe in your kitchen. Thanks for watching.